Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a nail art tutorial using some products received from Beauty BigBang. Today's nail art tutorial will be partially a quick review on some of the products that Beauty BigBang sent me for review. As you can see, I have some cute cacti water decals, and they also sent me this colorful kind of like gold and red foil nail art to review for you in one of my videos. I do hope you will like this quick tutorial and that you will also like the final manicure. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up the video for me. And of course, if you would like to see more nail art tutorials from me, then also hit the subscribe button, and that way you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I also have a 10% discount code that you can use at Beauty BigBang's website. It's Judita. I will link it for you somewhere down below, and it will be also in the description box, so make sure you check out all the details also on the products that were sent to me. I will have some links there. None of them are affiliated. These are just the links that take you directly to the product in case if you would like to purchase them. Thank you so much Beauty BigBang for sending this to me, and I will have another review video. I also received some stamping plates and stamping polishes, so keep an eye on those as well. Alright guys, that's it for this intro. So I do hope you will like the final manicure, and thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.